up and welcome to this Lisa cardio dance workout. If you want more workouts just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. Out now we have exclusives to Lisa, Moonlit Floor, and New Woman, and a 15-minute long Lisa compilation dance mashup, as well as a 30-minute long Blackpink solo artist dance workout. Alright, let's get dancing!
If you try just a little more times, I would've made you a believer. Would've showed you what it's like every single night. And the car top down like shades on. And I just broke up with my man like One X in the passenger seat, cause I'm done. Down, rude boy, get your foot up on my dash. Got all the receipts to my business woman. A little bit of hot rain, a little bit of how could you do that? A little bit of talking at your ass, a little bit of look at what you had but could not hold, and that's on you, baby. Too bad, I'm about to make it hurt as I vroom vroom. Ice cold, how I leave you alone, but please tell your mother I'ma miss her. So if you try just a little more time, I would've made you a believer. Would've told you to be born again, baby, to be born again. You stayed just another few nights. I could've made you pray to Jesus when he showed you to the light. Every single night. To be born again, baby, to be born again. Non-believer, you bitten from the fruit but can't give back. Nice to leave ya, but I would be a fool not to ask. Do your words and gospel to you now? Keeping me strong, choosing to carry on after one. Too many lies won't be wrong. So
set your pop tags on my shopping spree. Stay mad when I show them all the long receipts. They laugh at you, crash out like a comedy. I can't be a sugar mom, get a job for me, said. Boy, let go, let me live happily forever after more. I hope you learn something from a little fiasco. You played the game smart, letting little me pass go. Cause
if you try just a little more time, so would've made you a believer. Would've showed you what it's like every single night. To be born again, baby, to be born again. If you stayed just another few nights, I could've made you pray to Jesus. Would've sold you to the light every single night. To be born again, baby, to be born again.
Sitting in the rain, getting rid of him. I'm only gonna make you need religion at the minimum, and I'ma do it diligent. I'm looking for a synonym. I'm trying to find a words to tell him I ain't even feeling him. That love I'll never be deficient in. But see, you could wake up and take me like a vitamin. I learned the hard way to let go now and save my soul.
ATL Jacob.
Woke up in that morning again. Please don't call my phone again. Walking causing havoc. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic.
they watch me on the stages, they watch me going crazy. I'm about to make them pick the pieces up, they lock them in the cages. A lot can happen in a couple minutes. Lots of reasons, lots of things in action. Lots of people watching things unravel. Watch the moment, watch me going, locked and loaded. Say some shit that'll make them think it. Stop provoking, only those things that'll make it hit
heavy. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic. Yeah. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. I think I just never seen no girl like this. Stone cold plus ice on wrist. As bad as it gets. Fist got crazy down on my bed. I'm a chart topping exotic. Got them hot throbbing head dropper. Just walked in and made jaws drop. See me wearing it, I watch it pop. Hitting and doubling. My bed when bosses tumbling. High currency, I'm thumbing it. Oh, you thought I went hard, I'm upping it. I don't do generic. London and Paris, looking real healthy. All of my carrots, give them a look, now got them all staring. Give me the crown, so might as well wear it. Woke up in that mood again. Please don't call my phone again. Walked in God's and happy. Yes, that is a habit. Bad, I'm tragic. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. I think I just rapping like my leash up. I told them that I'm focused. They want that old leaf, so I don't listen to my old shit. Rapping like a deep cut, flowing like the ocean. They want the old leaf, so I don't listen to my old shit. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. Woke up feeling like. I think I just might. I think I just.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want more workouts just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right here. We have a 15-minute Lisa dance mashup with exclusive dances to New Woman and Moonlit Floor. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time.